Next is fillet command. For fillet command, I create rectangle. I select line, select this point 20 mm, press enter. This side 20 mm, press enter. Upside 20 mm and this side also 20 mm. Press escape button for exit the command. This rectangle is created by simple line. Now I select polyline, draw one rectangle here, this point 20 mm, this side 20 mm, upside 20 mm and this side also 20 mm. Press escape button. This is polyline rectangle. From here I select copy these all lines, press enter, this point to this point. Again I select copy, select these all lines, press enter, select copy command again. Now I select this rectangle, press enter. Again I select copy command, press enter, copy these rectangles in this side. These rectangles are created by simple line and these rectangles are created by polyline. Select fillet command from here. Shortcut for fillet command is F. Type F in command prompt and press enter. Now here are options. Polyline. If our rectangle is created by polyline, then we select polyline. In this case, simply select radius. So type R, press enter, specify the radius value. I enter here 5 mm. Again press enter. Now select the edges. See here, this is 5 mm radius applied. Again I select fillet, type F, press enter. Now I select trim. For trim I select T. Now I select trim, or you can also type here T, press enter. If we select trim, then it will trim these lines. If I select no trim and select radius, type R 5 mm, select these both lines, it will not trim this corner. Again I type fillet F, press enter. For multiple I type M. You can also select by clicking here. Now I select trim. For that I type T, press enter. Here is no trim and trim. I type no trim, radius. I type here radius 7 mm, press enter. Now we can apply fillet multiple times. Now type here F, press enter. Multiple time, type M, trim, type T, again type T. Now type radius. For that type R. Radius is 8 mm this side. This time I select 8 mm, press enter. I select these all lines. Now we apply fillet on these rectangles. These are polyline rectangles. Type here F, press enter. Now select radius, type R, press enter. Radius value I select 6 mm, press enter. Now select here polyline. So type here P, press enter and select the polyline. I select this line. It will apply fillet at all corners, because in this polyline rectangle all lines are a single entity, but in case of a line command rectangle every line is a single entity, so we select two lines in this case. Now again select fillet, type F, press enter, select polyline, radius I type here 8 mm, press enter, select polyline rectangle, this rectangle, OK. Again type fillet, type F, press enter. Now select trim here and select here no trim, radius 8 mm, press enter and select polyline. Select this rectangle. This fillet is applied without trimming corners.